Big man.
You remember when you come and you rock at the ex-police association?
You are one of the members?
One of the members of the ex-police.
I respect that. So you're back in Jamaica?
This upcoming election is about change. I want you to consider carefully, of the two political parties, which one has been changing Jamaica for the better? Which one has taken on the difficult, intractable things and have made real progress in them? If this election is about change, then it is the Jamaica Labour Party that is the party of change. It is the Jamaica Labour Party that has changed Jamaica from being a debt-ridden country classified by some as a hopeless case to now being the country that is used as the textbook case study of how to rescue, recover, and grow an economy. Think on your choice. Choose what is better for you, what makes your community better, and what makes Jamaica better. And when you examine it, you will see that the choice is the Jamaica Labour Party.